Said I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make the fire light. I said, "Love would burn through the night." Then we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'll share with you. My faith is my only carriage, and so I've got to push on through. But while I'm gone, yeah, everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.